Welcome to the typical views of a Santa Barbara City College student. The school itself is referred to as a hidden gem, empowering both men and women, old and young, to come together and achieve greatness. SBCC offers one of the most beautiful campuses along with its stellar academics from offering over 150 degrees and certificates. Of those certificates, the marketing degree serves as a particularly important degree, being ever so relevant in today's changing society. Santa Barbara City College attracts students from all over California and the world to earn their marketing degree.
Mit navn er Esben, og jeg kommer fra Danmark. I came to SBCC to take a marketing certificate because I can earn it in 1 year, allowing me to apply what I learned at SBCC into the real world.
Mitt namn är Vincent och jag är från Sverige, and I came to SBCC to get my marketing certificate because I can earn my certificate both on campus and online.
My name is Mike and I'm from Southern California. I came to Santa Barbara City College to receive my marketing certificate. As a California resident, the first year is free.
Mit navn er Anne-Sophie, og jeg kommer fra Danmark, and I came to SBCC to earn my marketing certificate because of the professionals and experienced teachers who want their students to succeed.
My name is John, and I'm from San Francisco, and I'm earning my marketing degree at SBCC to become both a smarter consumer and seller.
Hej, jag heter Sofia och kommer från Sverige. I came to SBCC to get my marketing certificate so I can become a licensed marketer with only 24 units.
Santa Barbara City College provides students with a diverse learning environment that inspires curiosity and discovery, promotes global responsibility, and fosters opportunity for all in order to achieve their goals. And there's no better way to do so than earning a marketing certificate. Apply today.